αυτό το φθινόπωρο? Τι θα κάνατε αν ξεκλειδώνατε μία μυστική πόρτα σε έναν κόσμο που δεν μοιάζει με άλλον? Εκεί που μια πριγκίπισσα, μια γοργόνα και μία νεράιδα θα ενωθούν για να σώσουν όλη τη μαγεία στη χώρα. Μαγεία! Τη μαγεία! Είναι η Μπάρμπι στο υπέροχο παραμυθένιο musical Μπάρμπι, η μαγεμένη πριγκίπισσα και το μυστικό βασίλειο. Μια ολοκαίνουργια ταινία τώρα σε DVD το φθινόπωρο του 2014.
What? 50 pounds? How could I gain 50 pounds? Oh, Kristoff, don't look at me. I'm disgusting.
Oh, honey, you're glowing. You've never looked better. Here, let me give you a kiss. I can't reach you past the baby. I'll have to kiss you just after you have the baby.
Kids, who wants cupcakes for breakfast? That's at least what I'm having. Hey, are you going to eat that? Mommy, that's my food. Oh, my back hurts so much. I can't even sleep. Hey, honey, the baby's kicking again. Come feel it.
Oh, wow, such strong kicks. I hope it's a boy.
Hey, sis, I got all the baby clothes out of storage for you. It was sure fun to look through Kristoff Jr.'s baby clothes and Krista's baby clothes. And holy wow, Anna, you have gotten huge, way bigger than you were for the other two babies. Hey, stop talking. You've never had a baby before. You don't know how it is. Let's just look at the clothes. Oh, Anna, do you remember this? I gave this to you when baby Krista was born. I can't believe you're waiting to find out what the baby's gender is. Well, Kristoff and I just want to be surprised. We already have a boy and girl. Oh, look at this. This is from Kristoff Jr. Oh, so long ago. Ah! My water just broke. I'm having the baby. Are you sure? Yes, of course. Okay, come here. Let's have you lie down. Ah!
Oh, honey, it's just a contraction.
No more kids. This is the last one. Anna, you're doing great. The baby's almost here.
Oh, I think I'm going to faint.
So what is it? Is it a boy or girl? What is it? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? I'm not going to tell her. You tell her.
I don't want to tell her.
Well, I'm not doing it.
Now, honey, before you get mad, I'm going to tell you the baby's really healthy. And it's a troll.
What? A troll? What? I knew this would happen. It's all your mom's fault. Your troll mom.
Hey, don't bring my troll family into this. I think it's adorable.
A troll? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it was just a dream. Oh, that awful troll dream again. Oh, I gotta stop eating pizza before bed.
Click here to watch another fun toy video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and have a great day.